Today, sir, I'm Mary Grace G. Tagum and I will be discussing to you the basic parts of motor vehicle control. So, amo ini light switch sa suga. Kung may pataas yan, namin low beam. So, and high beam, yan ang delikado yon siya pag imo siya ipasiga sa daga na tao kay dili nimo makita ang tao tungod sa kakusog sa suga. And yon. So, pag ipataas na to yon is yan ang right signal light. So, kung ipaabos na to yon siya, yan ang left signal right. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, reverse, and neutral. So, understanding the purpose of each gear position in a manual transmission is important siya for safe, smooth, and efficient driving. So, minsan accelerator para mudagan. And amay ni siya ang brake para mo stop. So, amay ang clutch para mandaran makina. Important siya in vehicle operation because it allows sa driver na mag safely control sila sa vehicle speed, sa braking and movement, and ensure sab nila ang smooth, efficient, and safe driving. So, main position intang nato nga na and paubos nato. So, main and light rain. And amo sabihin low speed for steady rain. And high speed for heavy rain. Ipaubos nato. Yan, main usog na yon siya. So, the importance of maintaining visibility while driving is that allows ang driver na maka clearly see siya ng road, traffic sign, pedestrians, and other vehicles na makita niya, which maka-help sabihin para ma-prevent an accident and ma-ensure an safe driving.